Hi, I'm Nikki Sizemore here in the test kitchen of Fine Cooking Magazine. In this episode, it's the role of the maître d' to carve the roast chicken, and now you can learn our favorite method for carving chicken here at Fine Cooking. I love it because it results in a boneless piece of breast meat that you can easily slice against the grain. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just separate the legs, just slice through the skin that connects the drumstick to the body. Now pull back the chicken. Now once the meat is on the board, we're gonna separate the drumstick from the thigh. So you just wanna cut right through this joint. And again, you shouldn't hit any resistance. If you do, just shimmy your knife over a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. I'll separate the legs, separate the leg from the thigh. Okay, now for the breast meat. Now I'm gonna start to run my knife down along the breastbone, pulling back the meat with one hand and using the tip of my knife to slice away the meat with my other hand, right off the bone. I'm gonna flip this around and then work my knife around the wishbone. Now we have a beautiful piece of boneless breast meat. And you can either just slice this in half and serve it, or you can serve it whole, or you can serve it into slices. This is going against the grain of the meat, resulting in ultra tender, juicy results. I'm Nikki Sizemore, and for more recipes and tips, visit finecooking.tv.